Bananas and Africa got a big deal when it comes to their production. The way bananas are grown in Africa is pretty cool too. It's all about mixing old-school farming methods with lots of care and a strong bond with the land. The production of a good quality banana starts with the planting of a banana seedling, also known as a sucker. Unlike many plants that start from seeds, bananas are grown from suckers that sprout from the base of an existing banana plant. And yeah, we're about to step into that all-time dangerous jungle of Africa to see how those large bundles of bananas are grown and harvested there. Stay together, I'm real scared. Weeds compete with banana plants for nutrients and water, so farmers regularly remove them. However, they also need plenty of water to grow, so irrigation is often necessary, and that unique yet amazing new air spraying technology is helping a lot. As the bananas start to grow, the team of farmers take the detailed view of if bananas have reached the right time to get wrapped, so they stay away from pesticides and grow properly. Being the delicate fruits, farmers protect them as much as possible. Once it's time and the bananas have grown to the perfect size, the team steps in for harvesting. Now these experts are patting those bananas carefully, so they stay safe during transportation, and no banana would burdenize the other due to their heavy weight. Plus, it would protect each banana from getting germs of others. So let's suppose if one banana is ruined, the rest would be safe. To harvest bananas, farmers cut the entire bunch or stem from the plant using a sharp knife or machete. The bunches are heavy, often weighing up to 40 kilograms, so harvesting is usually done by a team of workers. And they use this unique method of transportation, which promises the bruise-free and easy transferring. As they are reaching to their destination, let me ask for a simple favor. Just stay with us through the video. I know how much love you have showered on us, always. Banana chips are a popular snack around the world, loved for their crunchy texture and sweet, satisfying flavor. But if you love watching making of your favorite snacks, then you've come to the right place, because this is only the start of making millions of kilograms of banana chips. The bananas are typically harvested while still green, ensuring they are firm enough to withstand the processing that lies ahead. Once they arrive at the factory, the bananas are carefully unloaded and inspected for quality. Then, those bananas are fed to the pool of water to remove any dirt or residue from the surface. This washing process is essential to ensure that the bananas are clean and safe to consume. Also, it helps to cool them for some time, as they have been traveling a lot. Bananas are not only valuable for their delicious fruit. Almost every part of the banana plant can be used in some way. In many cultures, banana leaves are used as natural plates or wrappers for cooking and serving food. The leaves are sturdy, waterproof, and can add a subtle flavor to the dishes they wrap. Look how conveniently they are getting dressed and puffed up. Those people have showered some disinfectant spray on these unripe bananas, so they remain intact and fresh during their long travels. Yeah, they have to be somewhere very important. I think let's not keep more surprise. They're going straight to the banana chips factories, where they will be sliced, fried, and converted into world's #1 snack. They're gonna remove or get all the bananas from the stem, so it will be a lot easier to process. Here, the use of conveyor belts is super amazing, as it allows every worker to get their hands on accessible bananas easily, and they are moving with just the right speed, so every person gets to work equally. Whatever bananas are left unpeeled from one person would be transferred to others, and vice versa. Check out the results. The work is almost done, and we can see the inner banana flesh being gathered for a pool party. Yeah, they're gonna have a quick bath. Bathed, and all the bananas are gathered and dried to store for later. Only what's needed now would be grabbed and processed. For a handful of bigger-sized banana chips, these workers have first smashed and then dried the banana pulp, so they can fry them easily for that satisfying crunchy snack. And of course, drying to release the excessive oil is necessary to keep the snack super crunchy. But those bit-sized banana chips are behind. Yeah, we're gonna show you that too. The slicing process is critical because the thickness of the banana slices determines the texture of the final product. Thin slices create crispy, crunchy chips, while slightly thicker slices result in a chewier texture. It's their daily task, so they know for how much time they must fry the banana slices. So they transform from soft banana slices into crispy golden chips. This step allows excess oil to drip off, making the chips less greasy and helping them cool down. As the banana chips cool, they become even more crispy. Cooling is an important step because it ensures that the chips will stay crunchy when packaged. If the chips are packaged while still warm, they can become soggy inside the bag, which would ruin their texture. Banana chips are a great source of energy. They are high in carbohydrates, making them an excellent snack for a quick energy boost. This is why they're popular among athletes and hikers who need a portable and nutritious snack. But it's not healthy, of course. It may give you energy, but it isn't good for your health, especially when consumed daily.